name is Melissa with Horry County Memorial Library. We're going to be making deviled eggs using our Instant Pot. Follow along with the video and pause if you need to. So our first step is going to be to open our pot. Then we're going to add 1 cup of water to the bottom. You'll need to put your trivet in and make sure that the legs are on the bottom of the pot. For this recipe, I added 6 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and seal the lid. We're going to go ahead and place our steam catcher on the back, and we're going to turn the knob to sealing. For this recipe, we're going to be using the 5-5-5 method, which is 5 minutes of heating, 5 minutes of cooking, and 5 minutes for the release. For our next step, we're going to press the pressure cook button, and we want to do it for 5 minutes and make sure that our pressure is at high. We want to be at high pressure. Make sure that your Instant Pot is on, and then we'll let the Instant Pot do the work. Now that our eggs are done cooking, we want to go ahead and release our steam and open our pot. Next step is going to be to put our eggs into an ice bath. That I'm using. It's very simple. I just added mayonnaise, mustard, salt and pepper to taste, and a little paprika on top. I hope you've enjoyed this Instant Pot deviled egg tutorial. I hope that you'll join us next time when we make chili.